everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video I will be guiding you on how to post anonymously on a Facebook group as a member. While Facebook does not provide a built-in feature for anonymous posting, there is a workaround you can do to achieve this. Let's walk through the steps. So the first thing that I want you to do is open your browser and navigate to Facebook website if you are using your computer, or open your Facebook app. Now log into your Facebook account if you have not already done so. Here, once you're on your Facebook page, tap on the menu which is present on the bottom right of your screen. Then select Groups. After that, tap on your groups. Then select any one of the group that you would like to create an anonymous post for. Here, as you can see, you will be given an option for anonymous post. Tap on it and then select Got it. After that, you can write whatever post you want to create and then tap on Submit. Doing this, you have successfully posted on group anonymously. I hope you find this video useful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, and also drop a comment down below. Thank you for watching.